Hi, welcome to ClickMyProject.com. This video will explain the project, workflow and demo. Our title is Hotel Room Booking Management System. Let's start from the description. The hotel industry is a business venture for the owner and a solace for the traveler and a tourist. A customer can get stranded in the quest to secure a hotel room to pass the night if he has not made adequate plans by the existing system. Through the study, it was realized that for a customer to be guaranteed a room, he or she has to physically come to the hotel since the attendants paid more attention to that. He could also send a friend or relative who lives around the neighborhood of the hotel to do the booking of for him. Now we are going to see the flow diagram. In this flow diagram we have customer, executive and admin. In customer we have login for authentication and we have check availability, room booking, payment and feedback. After executive we having a login for authentication purpose. In login we have add room booking, customer booking details, customer feedback. And in admin we have add executive details, view executive details, manage records, add room details. Now we are going to see the modules of this project. In first module, which is user can create account for their login purpose and he can access their account using login, and he can check availability of the room, book their room, and he can pay the amount for their booking room, and then finally he fill the feedback form about the room. And the second one is executive module. Executive can access their account for after admin submission the details of the executive, and he can also book the room for customer request. He can view customer details and customer feedback. And the third one is admin module. Admin can access their account using login, and he can add and view delete the executive details for their access. He can manage the record of the customer payment details, and he can also update, add and delete the room details. Hi, this is our home page for hotel room booking management system. And first is create account and then login. Click here. This create an account for free. Submit here. XYZ and last name XXX, email gmail.com, and given mobile number and given address, and then username and password. For authentication, register now. Okay, successfully register, and then click to login. Here my username is XYZ and password is also XYZ. Click here login and successfully authenticated. In user home we have four modules, which is check availability, room booking, payment and feedback. Check availability for if rooms are available or not. Here I am clicking AC, number of members 2 and price 200 to 300. Okay, there is room available. If not available, it will show also not available. Okay, and then room booking. Here we are going to give an input for the room booking, starting date and end date. Select the type AC or non-AC, number of members 2 and your name XYZ. Book your room. Your room will be booked. And then payment process. After the room booking process completion, click payment, click the room number, A1 block, and payment 200, name XYZ. Click to pay. Your process will be completed. And finally, feedback. Feedback is for about room management. Giving feedback here for front office staff and hotel ambience, hotel food, hotel executive, housekeeping, cleanliness of the room, spa, and overall rating. After comments, overall good. And your room number A1 submitted by XYZ. It will be stored in a database. So, thank you. And then log out. Thank you for watching. Admin module. Click login and username is admin and the password is also admin. After authentication, we are entering into admin panel. In admin panel, we have dashboard, executive, manage record, and room details. These are all submodules for administrator. In executive, we have two submodules, which is add executive and view executive. In manage record, we have view records. In room details, we have two submodules, which is add room and view room. First, dashboard. In dashboard, we have seen two categories, which is quick peek and profile details. In quick peek, we have update profile, change password, and logout. These profile details only show the administrator information only. If you want to change the admin username or password or some other details, we going to click update profile. So click update profile. These are all things for editing. So here I update our profile. Click, choose, and open. So I have updated this image. Update profile. Here it will be updated. Then if you want to change the password of this administrator, click change password. In administrator changing password, we are having administrator, employee ID, and username password. If you want to change the password, click and type here admin 123. Update profile details. It will be updated. Okay. And next module is executive. Click executive. In executive, we have add and view executive modules. In add executive, here we are going to insert some details about the executive. The executive name is ABC and the employee code is give contact number and give address and then gender, give image, okay, and then give and submit. After submission, if you want to edit the details of executive, here we are going to click update and give an input and even input and submit. Then view executive. Okay, if you want to delete this detail of executive, click here. And next module is manage records. In manage records, we have view records subcategory. In view records, it will show the customer payment details, room number, name, date, payment, and status. If you want to delete that record, particular record or whole record, click action to delete. Here I am going to delete this record. Yes, it will be deleted. So this is the manage record. And next, room details. In room details we have two submodules, which is add room and view room. In add room we are going to insert the room name, rate, number of member and type. So we are already getting the room ID. Here we are going to give a room name, a block 1 or A1 block. Price is 250 per head. If number of members is available in 3. So this is choosing type here, AC submit. So A1 block will be updated. We want to update or editing this content, click here, or if you want to delete button. After these are all the admin module. Log out. Next we are going to see the executive module. In executive module, username is abc001 and password is abc001, date of birth. Which is entered from the admin, and then login. If your authentication is success, we will enter into the executive home. In executive home we have two categories, which is quick pick and profile details. It only show the in executive details. Here we have four modules, which is dashboard, and then book room, customer details and feedback. In book room we have two submodules, which is room details and customer booking. In room details it only visible the room details which is entered from the admin. And then customer booking details, if customer books rooms for their using purpose, it will show. And then customer details, in customer it only show the data of customer. If you want to delete this record, click action, it will be deleted. And then feedback only show the information about the customer feedback details. Also, if you want to delete the records, click here. So these are the executive panel, and then log out.